Hi, friends. I'm Becky Hesseltine. I'm a psychic medium, spiritual development teacher, and meditation facilitator. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm so happy to share this moment with you. I wanted to share a little bit about the importance of meditation for the psychic medium. So one thing that I really want to express and most important is when we are meditating, we are developing, understanding, and strengthening our awareness. And we are allowing ourselves that opportunity to be very disciplined on where we are placing our awareness and building that muscle and strengthening it with our attention. So the types of meditation that I share are guided meditations, and you will experience my words, not only listen to them, but being in the experience of the meditation and noticing how it feels to place your attention in the experience of the meditation. And then you'll also notice that shift when a thought comes and we get drawn to our thoughts. And then you'll notice, I notice the thought and I'm going to come back to my experience with my meditation. And the more we flex that muscle of noticing the thought, coming back, noticing that environmental distraction, coming back, noticing that itch or that impulse and coming back. And that is your practice. Sometimes there will be more of those thoughts or distractions. And that's when we get to really strengthen that muscle even further and just welcome it and know that you are strengthening this part of you. And why is this important as psychic mediums? Well, as you very well know, if you are practicing medium or psychic, you know the importance of holding your awareness in the experience of that mystical moment that you're having with your client, with the spirit loved one that you're connecting with, and holding true to that experience and giving the fullness of your attention to that experience so you can express it in the most accurate way possible. And so when we are able to hold our awareness there, notice the thoughts and come back every time, the more we can be true to our experience, the more that we can allow for that intelligence to move through us and to express on behalf of the spirit world or on behalf of the soul of your client if you're connecting psychically. So that is one huge important reason why we meditate. And I have a lot of other tips and things that I'd love to share with you down the road. Feel free to use these comments below to share your experience with meditation and how it's helped you with your psychic and mediumship development. Also, any questions that you have that I can support you with, please feel free to share it in the comments. And I'm here to support you. I look forward to staying in touch. Please subscribe. You can also connect with me on my website, beckyhesseltine.com, and just sending you lots of love. And I look forward to keeping in touch. Take care.